Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with plenty of power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency as well, and coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, and with a new look inside and out. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking in the back, where you have your rear doors that fold all the way back to be in line with the bed of the truck, giving you easy access to the back seat, where you have seating for three. They can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And then in the middle, you have two fold-out cup holders with a USB, USB-C, and 12-volt power outlet. And then looking into the front, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. And this truck does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your digital speedometer, your trip 1 and 2 information, your driver assistance features, your fuel economy, and your comm screen. Can of course also go into your maintenance information and all that. Then moving on to the left side, where you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Then moving on to your center infotainment screen, which is radio and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. Then you have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with reverse sensors, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything, with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in and have an easier time hooking up a trailer or something of the sort. Then above that, you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view again, your hazards, traction control shut off. And then moving down from your screen, you have your media controls and then your climate controls here, which are very simple and easy to use. To the left of that, you have your Pro Trailer Backup Controller, Trailer Brake Controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector for normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, and mud ruts. Then on the opposite end, you have tow, haul, eco, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience quite a bit there. But then moving on to the right side, where you have a 12-volt power outlet with a USB and USB-C, as well as having another 12-volt and another USB and USB-C down here. So plenty of options there for charging your device, with a shelf where you can put your device while it is charging. But then moving on to your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and then onto your center console, where you have two cup holders and your center compartment / armrest, which is very spacious inside. But then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck, with another lockable compartment underneath for even more storage. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.